Hey everybody, let's learn something new today with Mr. Mosley, the music teacher.
In honor of his birthday this month, we will discover one of the greatest musicians in history. This music lesson is about the life and times of singer, songwriter, Bill Withers. William Harrison Withers Jr., known professionally to the world as Bill Withers, was born July 4th, 1938 in Slab Fork, West Virginia. He served in the United States Navy for 9 years. It was during that time he became interested in music and developed a passion for singing and writing his own songs. In 1965, after being honorably discharged from the United States Navy, Bill Withers relocated to Los Angeles, California to follow his dreams and pursue a career as a professional musician. For several years during the day, he worked as a mechanic at the Boeing Aircraft Company, and at night performed live on stage, honing his craft, and recorded demos in the studio, until being discovered by Clarence Avant, who signed him to his Sussex record label in 1970. Bill Withers earned a massive number of hit records throughout his career, and hundreds of artists have recorded and sampled his music across multiple genres, including pop, folk, jazz, funk, country, classical, rhythm and blues, gospel, and hip-hop. Bill Withers has received many awards throughout his career, including 3 Grammy Awards, the ASCAP Rhythm and Soul Heritage Award, the Pioneer Award by the Rhythm and Blues Foundation, and induction to the Soul Train, Songwriters, and Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. 2 of his songs, Ain't No Sunshine and Lean On Me, were inducted into the Grammy Hall of Fame. Test your knowledge. Number 1. Where was Bill Withers born? A. Little Rock, Arkansas. B. Los Angeles, California. C. Denver, Colorado. Or D. Slab Fork, West Virginia. Number 2. Which job did Bill Withers have before he became a professional musician? A. Aircraft mechanic. B. Elementary music teacher. C. Hedge fund manager. Or D. Sous chef. Number 3. Which branch of the United States military did Bill Withers serve in for 9 years? A. Army. B. Marines. C. Navy. or D, Air Force? Number 4. Which record executive signed Bill Withers to his first contract in 1970? A. Russell Simmons, B. Berry Gordy, C. Clarence Avant, or D. L.A. Reid? Number 5. How many Grammy Awards has Bill Withers received? A. 1, B. 3, C. 12, or D. 20? Number 6. Which 2 songs written by Bill Withers were inducted into the Grammy Hall of Fame? A. Lovely Day and I Can't Write Left-Handed, B. Grandma's Hands and Just the Two of Us, C. Ain't No Sunshine and Lean on Me, or D. Use Me and Hello Like Before?
Have a nice day, everybody. See you next time with Mr. Mosley, the music teacher.